I'm all shut down.
32, stick hit.
Eastbound in the westbound lanes by breakaway. It looks like the front right's going flat.
Tampa 57 Central, we got traffic blocked on 95.
I think he just sideswiped that red car. He's still eastbound on Granada. Passing Riverbend now. Passing Riverbend on Granada. Everything for me is shut down. All right, he's pulling in the Riverbend Church. There's you got 2 people with him. There's 2 people in the car. Pulled in the Riverbend Church.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Bail out. 2 black males. One's got red shorts on, black shirt. One's got pink on. One male's running behind Riverbend. The driver went the other way. The driver went eastbound. He's that way. Yep.
All right. Live. Here. Come here. Really back into that shit, huh? Los. Fooey, Los. Leave it. Los. Fooey. That's their bag of dope. Yep. Here. Leave it. Fooey. Hey. Leave it. Just gonna work the rest of the edge of this pond first. Selling him. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. I can't see you at all. I'll get him off as soon as I can get to you. Fucking vines. Vines in here, huh? Alright. I'm going to. Hang on, I gotta get in here too. Hang on, we're caught in all this stuff. Alright. Go. Alright.
I'm coming.
Listen, you crawl out that way, right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm coming, sir.
You crawl out to the right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm coming. Start moving. I don't got nothing.
I need rescue.
Use my shoes.
Alright.
Use my shoes, sir.
Hawkin! Brings, buddy! Brings!
Stop right there.
I'm not doing it! Hawkin! Show me your hands, man! Show me your hands! Stay still, man! Stay still! Do not move! Put your hands behind your back! Do it now or I'm gonna send this dog back on you! Alright? Go ahead and move in.
Got a magazine in his thing here.
Behind these trees right here, I want you to check where he was hiding at, okay? Good boy, good boy, good boy. That a good buddy. Good boy, good soup. Yeah, that a good soup, buddy. Good soup. House. It was actually tucked up, so come on. There's something in there. Yeah, his tail's wagging like a banshee. He's down. Hold on. Blivin. Look at that. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Blivin. Good, Blivin. Good, Blivin. Good. Good, Blivin, buddy. Yeah, that a good job. Brings. Good boy. Good job. Good search, buddy. Good boy. Adam, good search. Good job. Good boy. I'm gonna let you hold up real quick. Let me.
Magazine in it. It's loaded.
Okay, let me get a picture of it. And then Nice. It's a Taurus.
You can
Awesome.
see where it got a little rusted from yesterday's rain when we were
Yep,
out here in
cool.
the rain. I'm
All
gonna take
right.
it out here out of the bushes and unload it out
Yep.
here. You might stick around there good.
He's got his toy in his mouth, so he don't give a about that. Anything else? Nothing else here.